Alrighty, we done the scaffolding around only until there because that's the balcony, and yeah, so it's all ready to put the top sheetings on, which is we're going to use the hardy flex. So the roof is still not finished. We need to get the local to finish the roofing, install more of the saksak. We have some guests arrive. Careful! Oh Jesus! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Leah Garvey and Mr. Garvey, Brian's over here.
Hello, hello.
So yesterday we what was it? So yesterday we sealed the windows, all around the windows with, what is it? Foam. What's
Expanding
it?
foam.
Expanding foam.
This one here. This one here. Okay, so it's, when we sheet up outside, it will be all sealed around the window frame.
Yeah, especially this side of the building, because this is the westerly, and every time there's a typhoon, it's always come from, the winds always come from the west, so we make sure that no gaps. So we put this yesterday. Now it's hard. It's actually same component as the one they use for the insulation for the fridge. Is it right? Yeah. So what we're gonna do today, we are going to trim it around so that when we put the sheeting, doesn't, of course, does not be on the way. Oh look, it's quite soft. Yeah, there you go. So that's what we're going to do today. Also yesterday we done the scaffolding. Brian put that on yesterday. So yeah, it looks like a beautiful day also today. Nice and sunny, and the wind is kind of northeasterly. So there's a cold, what do you call it again? The wind from the Japan? Cold stream? Wind stream? Huh? Slip, that's the word. Slip stream from Japan, which is, of course, it's winter. It's winter over there. So yeah, it's a beautiful day here. So this cottage will have a beautiful view. That's gonna be the clear glass panel. We're gonna install there, over there, louvers. Also a clear louver, so that the bed's gonna be here. So the second person sleeping on the bed will have that beautiful view. So Brian's starting doing my job. He said, I will do that job.
No.
Oh, huh? No?
I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it. You're just...
I'm just pissing around until you get off the recording.
Oh, okay. Alrighty.
So I can't make any noise. I want to make noise.
Okay. So this is not the first building we have done. We have the A-frame, the outlook, and this is the third one. Actually, it's Brian's that doing a lot of work. I'm just kind of the camera lady. Yeah, but also I did a little bit of the carpentry, and he taught me how to use the hammer, not the chainsaw. What do you call that again? The saw and the welding machine. So yeah, when you marry a carpenter, you become a carpenter also.
I'm here to see what I'm doing.
Just be careful. Oh, whatever you do. Can I hold you? Thanks, babe. Okay. Bri, why are you so guapo? Yeah, Mr. Guapo.
Okay, you can do this now when you're finished videoing.
I can do it now. I'm so clumsy. I don't like heights. I'm scared of heights. Okay, back to work. I'm so excited to see this wall all be sheeted. So we done one corner. Hey pa! Okay, lunch is here. We have iced coffee, fish sinigang for me, brewed coffee for Brian, and French toast. Oh, I need to ask for some tomato sauce. There you go. Some rice.
I have to turn it up a little bit more. Yeah, that's better.
It is wide angle.
Okay, baby. This is a very
All good.
very hard touch.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Leah Garvey and Mr. Garvey here, Mr. Cranky Garvey. It's a very windy day today, and yeah, it's another day in paradise.
Yo!
Ciao. Oh, it's windy, see? Ah. So we are going to finish the what do you call that again? We're doing what we're doing again?
Cladding. We're putting
Cladding.
Hardyflex sheeting.
Okay, so we are going to finish the Hardyflex cladding outside and then inside and then downstairs, the bathroom area. So yeah. Okay, Brian just asked me to remove the window without removing the nail. Okay, so how am I gonna do that? No idea. I said maybe I'll just bend the nail and then then I can pull the window out. Then he said no, you don't. Anyway. Okay, Brian's here now. He's gonna show me how to remove the window without removing the nails.
Can't be done.
Uh-huh.
Have to remove a nail.
Uh-huh. So now he said we have to remove a nail. No, don't remove the nail. Okay, one nail's out. Yay! There you go. Have to place it somewhere that the wind's not gonna blow and damage the window.